What's up? So I feel like the more I talk to the camera, it's not as like awkward as, I mean, it still is, I'm not gonna lie, because I never talk to a camera. And I keep wanting to look at that stupid screen over there, but I'm getting over that as well. This is the blow-off valve for my mom's truck. I'm actually not even home right now. I am down in South Carolina on vacation, but I brought all my stuff with me, my laptop, camera, SD cards, all that stuff, so I can film, edit, you know, everything. Get all this stuff done for YouTube and get it uploaded while I'm down here. Taking a little break, I figured I'd get it all done. Also, I do photography on the side. I do car photography, landscapes, kind of stuff like that. I'm thinking about also filming some tutorials on how I edit my car photography, how I do my landscapes, the settings I use my camera, my lenses, all that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not going to be like one massive video, but it'll be broken down over the course of a few videos. If you want to see stuff like that or any suggestions, leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to them. And yeah, so anyway, here is the blow-off valve mod on a 2018 Ecoboost F-150. So I got my mom's keys, so we are able to start this process here. So all you gotta do is somehow manipulate your hands to get this open. There we go. Like I said before, my mom's got a 2.7 Ecoboost for a 2018 F-150. We're gonna do a little blow-off valve mod. So if you look down here in the engine compartment, you have your tube for your blow-off valve, and that's connected to your intake piping for the motor. You're gonna see this clamp right here. So that clamp right there is what you're gonna be taking off. I'll show you how to do that. Let's get under the truck and I'll show you where it's gonna be coming through. All right, so if you look, I'm at the front driver's side fog light. And if you come underneath the truck, here's your A-arm for reference. Here's your charge pipe for your intercooler. And right next to it, here, is the same tube that comes down from your intake. You're going to counterclockwise. And it pulls right off, just slides back. So you twist this piece counterclockwise, and you, as you're doing that, you pull straight back, and it'll pop off. Now we're going to go to the front side, the top side of the truck, and I'll show you the rest. So again, here is that same pipe that goes down. So you just twist counterclockwise, and it's not coming off. So I actually got the hose off. It's just kind of sitting in here right now. So what you do is you turn counterclockwise. This pulls straight down and off. Actually, the bottom should be off as well. Yep. And you can pull it straight up. So then you get your chair end, and that goes right here where the tube went. It's actually a really, really tight, good fit, and you don't even need clamps. Now you're gonna feel like a little barb here. You wanna get the chair end over that barb, and it'll fit in there snug. You won't have to worry about any clamps right like that. And if you wanna take it off, you just pull it right off, and you're good to go. Let me do that real quick, and I'll get right back to you. So actually, that was like the easiest install you can possibly do. It only takes like 5 minutes. If you're juggling a camera and losing everything down inside the engine bay, like your flashlight, it's gonna take longer. So just so you know, here's what the tube looks like out of the truck. It's like an L. Make sure you keep this on the side if you don't want the blow-off valve for whatever reason, or you trade the truck in. You can just put this back in. Oh, it's completely reversible. Again, it only takes like 5 minutes to do this job. It's not that big of a deal. It's very, very easy. And you get a free blow-off valve out of it. Or it's not really a blow, I guess it's a blow-off valve. It's venting to atmosphere, we'll put it that way. So let me go find where I put the keys, and we'll get this done. I'll go and show you guys a little audio of it. Where did I put the keys? So after 5 minutes and maybe like $5, I'm not sure. I'm gonna see if I can find the chair end I found. It's 1 1/8 inch rubber chair end. I think I got it from Lowe's or Home Depot, I'm not sure, but if I find it, I'm gonna link it down below in the description. But again, it's a 5-minute job. Get a blow-off valve for your truck. It's a vent to atmosphere mod is what they call it. So if you need to see anything else on how to do it, or vent to atmosphere, this will work on at least a 2014 up to, I don't know if the 2020s are out yet, but up to 2020, 3.5 and 2.7 Ecoboost, including the Raptor, because I had a 2017 Raptor. I did the vent to atmosphere mod on the Raptor. I did it on my brother's 2014 F-150. Worked fine, no check engine lights, no nothing. And actually, the thing is too, if you get the bundle pack of 4, which I think it only comes with 4, not really a bundle pack, but you know what I mean, then you can give it to your friends and they can do it on their trucks. So it's like a little giving thing. You buy for $5 and you make them happy, you give them one, and you can help them out at the same time. So that's a little quick video I did. At this time, I actually won't even be around. I'll be in South Carolina. I've decided to do this little video beforehand. That way, when I'm down there, I can relax, edit the video, figure out the whole editing thing a little bit more, and go from there. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.